So I do a little garden update every year. And this is kind of probably the latest I've ever planted my peppers. I've got, I think, 12 or 13 peppers here. And you can see how thick I have the dirt. The peppers grew really well here last year. They grew good in the boxes too. But I thought this year I would kind of make an aggregate of all the old soil that I've had that I've been keeping and make it about a foot thick. Put some 10-10-10 in it and see what happens. So these peppers only been in the ground about 3 days. And we have some blackberries here. The garden is a mess. It's just, since Nikki and I have, our jobs just ramped up and got crazy, we've not been able to take care of things like we want to. But we've got bees this year. And Nikki got one of those May bee, which by the way is really nice. One of those May bee setups. We've got some bees that one of our church members, so Kenny Lale, thank you for getting us the bees. You can see them down in there working. But he said they're actually sort of a Russian honeybee. And I'm not much of a bee worker. I'm kind of allergic to, oh, this looks pitiful over this way. Hate to even show you. I'm allergic to yellow jackets, but I'm trying to help Nikki a little bit with the bees now. Yeah, these, so I've been growing stuff in these for several years. I thought I'd just empty these out, give these a rest this year, take all the different soils and stuff that I had in all these. And like I say, it's just a big old mess. We're getting ready to put another beehive over there. If you might have noticed, we have these on blocks over here. I put concrete down, and then I got the sort of a cool kind of blocks there that we got them sitting on. You can buy those blocks at Lowe's. I'll show you what they are. I am, like I say, I'm gonna spray some poison, get these weeds out of the way. I am trying to straighten up a little bit at a time. Nikki's gonna plant these. These are some bargain shelf plants that we're gonna put in here. We're gonna clear some of this mess out. I've got the blocks and everything that we need for the beehive. The other beehive we're gonna put in there. The grapes are all over the place. I did trim them over the winter, but they're going crazy. We'll probably still have a few grapes. Blueberries are looking awesome. Man, I used to have this place looking so perfect, but it's just a challenge now. But all the blueberry bushes are really going to put out. We're going to have a ton of blueberries this year. I'd say these plants, the bushes go up about 8 feet. So yeah, pretty soon I'm not going to be able to reach the, this is just, I'm going to have to totally redo all this. So I think I'm going to spray it, get the weeds out, and put some different kind of rock or something here. It's served its purpose for a while, but if you've been watching for 10 years, you know it used to look just immaculate. Look at the amount of blueberries that's going to be coming up on these things. So yeah, I used 2 more of these, which I've got some popular videos of them. Like I said, I wanted to try that this year, just piling it all in there, 10-10-10. So again, these have just been in the ground 3 or 4 days. I think I planted them maybe Saturdays when I planted them. Today's Tuesday. So yeah, the garden's not looking great this year, but at the same time, it's great fun. It's still kind of pretty and relaxing to be out here. The one thing it has taken off crazy is this fig tree. So this fig was, I don't know, 2.5 feet tall last year. Now I'm guessing the tall part of it over there is probably 7.5 feet up in the air, and it's probably at least 12-14 feet across, which is insane. And that fig tree over there beyond the little fire pit is the one that I always gotten most of my figs off of. And don't know if we're going to have many figs or not this year, but folks, we're going to have scads of blueberries probably in about a month. We got peaches this year. My pear trees are doing awesome. The pear trees are the other side of the house, and the peaches. So we have a big old yield of peaches and pears unless some critter starts coming out of the woodwork and eating them. Got a lot of straightening up to do out here. Like I say, I've had minimal time to do anything, but still, even when it's bad, it's good. I'm blessed to live in a place that's kind of pretty like this. Bees working and lots of pretty plants. Nikki's done a good job. Good job telling me where to dig holes. Okay, that's this year's disorderly garden update. Watch those bees work. Bumblebees down here. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. Maybe next time I tune in, it'll look a lot better.